Oh, what up?
What up, boy?
Let's get it.
Let us get it.
Alright guys, so we're heading off to Mike's house today. I've got a little surprise to show you guys. This car is finally finished. Yes, finally finished after about, let's say 2 months. About 2 months of being in the dark with this car. But anyways, we're heading off to Mike's house. But first, let's go grab a feed.
All is never lost, though we forget what it's all for. Breaking down the walls to keep us locked behind these doors.
Hey yo, check this car out, bro. This looks fucking mad. What?
Fuck, let me see how it
It's sick. Yeah. Hey bro, get away, man. Yep, COVID-19. So you're probably wondering why we're eating outside and not inside in the seats, or outside KFC. The funny thing is, there is no seats. They have no seats for us to sit down on. So we're forced to come outside and eat on the damn wing. What the fuck?
And if we lose our way, we'll follow the light, follow the light, follow the light. And if we lose our way, we'll follow the light, follow the light.
Alright guys, we're finally in the S15.
The Evo seats sit pretty high, eh?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
So we're finally back in Mike's S15. Haven't showed you guys what the car looks like yet, but anyways. What up, bro?
What's up?
Let's go. Well, so
Oh, fuck these
we're just gonna head off to Super Cheap Auto first to go grab Mike a new battery, and also he wants to remove his front splitter because it looks tacky to him. So anyways, here's a picky guy. Let's get this removed and let's go take some snaps and some cinematic videos. Let's go.
The Nissan, where's the Nissan right there, boy?
Nissan.
Where's the Silvia?
Mate, it's a fucking 180.
What year model, bro? What year model, bro?
Don't have any.
200, let's go on the 200. Do you have any P10 Populars for that?
And those shadows, they will fade.
This replace, it's not going to affect the alarm, right?
No, maybe, we don't know. Will it affect Mike's alarm system? We don't know yet. But to find out if it does. This is going so great. Mike's alarm's shooting itself because we're tampering with the battery and the car thinks we're trying to steal the S15. So I don't know what we're gonna do here. And also we've got the wrong battery and it has the wrong terminal, so we're gonna have to go get that replaced now. Alright, let's try to remove this battery fucking for once and for all.
Can you?
Let's get it.
Hectic. That's a mission, bro.
Alright, I think about 20 minutes of fucking around with the battery, we finally got a new battery on. And the wiper blades have been changed, and also now we're gonna go take some photos now that the battery's changed. Wiper blades changed. New parking lights are in. Sorry if you can't hear me, it's pretty loud and I don't know what's going on, but anyways. We're gonna go find a scenery spot to take off the splitter and take some photos. and shoot some videos on my car. So stay tuned for that one, guys.
In 200 meters.
One step away, and if we lose our way, we'll follow the light, follow the light, follow the light. And if we lose our way, we'll follow the light, follow the light, follow the light. We'll follow the light, follow.
Oh shit. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the docks. Damn, took ages to get here, but anyways, nice scenery in the background over here. So we're just gonna take a few minutes, maybe half an hour, take a few photos and do some video shoots on Mike's car.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Hey bro, can I just get your feedback? What do you think about your car, bro, right now after it's been ceramic coated and polished?
Looks mad, bro.
Looks mad?
Looks good.
Fuck yeah, bro. Look how dope it looks, bro, in this fucking lighting. Damn! It looks good! Are you guys ready to check this shit out?
Alright boys, $2,000 alarm system.
$2,000 alarm system, be like, let's go. Oh shit! No fucking driver, just in case this ain't a magic trick. Damn, bro. That's fucking sick, man. Woo! Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Oh shit, I stepped in shit. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Hope you guys liked Mike's car. Mike's S15 is finally finished. Well, not really, you know, it's never finished, it's a project car. But if you guys did like the car, please leave a like down below, comment, and also subscribe if you're new. And thank you for tuning in again to today's video. So peace out. I'm Andy, and this is Bobby and the boys. We out. Peace.